Good day and welcome to this two-part video focusing on customer retention, customer service, and achieving operational excellence. Throughout this video, we will share with you the steps that we take with our customers to help them to achieve customer satisfaction, whether they operate in a B2B environment or a B2C environment. And it's all related to customer retention. Some research done by Bain & Company has indicated that for every 1% improvement in retention, the impact on the profitability of the company is 5%. Versus, if you look at the acquisition side of the house, for every 1% improvement in acquisition only translates into a 1.15% improvement in profitability. Basically, the 80-20 rule applies. Today, if you ask most companies how much do you spend on acquisition, the answer would be 80% of the marketing budget. How much do you spend on retention? 20% or less. However, given these numbers, you ask yourself why? When you have such a return on the investment with retention improvement. And the reason being is that retention is much harder. It's blocking, it's tackling. And up until recently, most companies did not have the tools in order to better understand the drivers of behaviors of customers and what can be done to retain them. Our approach to customer retention is to try to identify the customer when they are at risk, and then to take an appropriate intervention to minimize that risk of that customer leaving you. So taking the intervention at the right time will ensure that the customer is retained. In order to do so, what we do is that we aggregate data on your customers. We typically identify 100 to 150, even up to 175 different variables. When we talk about variables, what do we mean by that? Well, we mean about customer information, the name of the customer, the location of the customer, what kind of financials are associated with that relationship with the customer, how long has that customer been with you, how many phone calls has that customer made to your call center, what are the types of phone calls that customer has made to you, what marketing data exists on that particular customer, any and all account information, billing data, contract data, etc. So try to visualize a huge Excel spreadsheet. On one axis, 150 to 175 different variables, and on the other axis, thousands and thousands of your customers listed there. And multiply all of this by 12 months, because through that particular process, we go through statistical regression analysis, trying to get insights into the data. We do simulation modeling, optimization modeling, and then translate that into actionable information for you. When we look at customer retention, there are two key metrics under which we believe that customers should be segmented. The first one is customer segmentation based on customer lifetime value. What is the value of each and every customer to you as an organization? The customer lifetime value, we try to establish a metric or set of indicators that are uniform across your customer base. And then we identify these and rank your customers along the deciles that you see here of 10 deciles. And typically, your high customer lifetime value will be in decile number 1 and 2 with the objective to move your high CLV over and to increase your medium and to your low CLV into higher value customers. The other measurement that we use in terms of your customers is understanding propensity to quit. Combined with customer lifetime value, we know a high value customer, and now we know what is that propensity of that customer to stay or to quit with you, and what are the drivers as to why that customer will stay or quit you. In this particular scenario, you will see that customer A will not quit you. He has been with you for years and will continue to be with you. However, customer B and customer C will leave you unless an intervention is taken. What we bring to you is a full understanding and analysis of your customer behavior. What is driving them to stay with you, what is driving them away from you, and allowing you to segment them under customer lifetime value and propensity to quit. In the second video, we will share with you how we operationalize the model and give you the tools to take action and retain your customers. Thank you.